good morning students. Now we are going to see about the exercise 2.4 miscellaneous problem. So before this miscellaneous, all the 4 topics, I think 3 topics I think so. So one is a parallelogram, another one is a rhombus, then trapezium. These 3 figures only we learn in this before the exercise. So just to recall, then we move to the exercise 2.4. Parallelogram is nothing but these, all this is a 4-side figure, right? Parallelogram also 4-side, rhombus also 4-side, trapezium also 4-side. So 4-side figure is also called a quadrilateral. Okay. So 4-side figure is also called as a quadrilateral, common name, nickname like that. In mathematically, 4-side figure, everything is called as a quadrilateral. So in that quadrilateral, they mention parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. And the parallelogram is related to a rectangle. That's only I am trying to tell. So rectangle we already know. What do you know? Opposite sides are equal. If you have in this place A means in this place also A, in this place B means in this place. Means if you have a 2 centimeter means it's also a 2 centimeter. It's 1 centimeter means place also 1 centimeter. This is parallel to this because the same direction, right? So this is parallel to this. It's because the same direction, same line passing through. This is a rectangle. We already know, right? If A, B, C, D. In your book, they've given one example. You're having a rope. So the students are, the D is moving this place means, so this A and D. So it is moving this place means C is move this place. That is nothing but the rectangle is move slantly. Okay, but your measurement won't change. So as it is. That means by using the same, this is called as a rectangle. So if a rectangle is more slanting means that is called as a parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram opposite sides are AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, and opposite sides are parallel. In 6th standard we already learned about parallel. We can write this is a symbolic representation. This is parallel to this. So BC is parallel to AD. We already learned parallel symbolic representation, right? So that's why I'm using. So this is related to rectangle. So rhombus is nothing but related to square. The square is what? All the sides are equal. If I have 3 means 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. The same. A, B, C, D. The D is moving this place, C is moving the place. So the square becomes just slanting. Okay. But the measurement won't change. Okay. This is your rhombus. This is called as a rhombus. Okay. That's it. It is a major process. So all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. That's it. A square. Okay. That's it. Then what we learn in trapezium? Trapezium is nothing but we are having, this is parallel A, B, C, D. It's a new figure. It's like a boat. So AB is parallel to CD. In this place BC, non-parallel. This is a parallel. And non-parallel is a BC and AD, non-parallel. Okay. So parallel. It is a parallel. It is a non-parallel. If non-parallel is equal means is also called as a isosceles trapezium. That's it now. This is just a recall we learned. Okay. How can we write a area? area of a parallelogram formula is what? So area of the parallelogram, base into height square unit. This is one of the formula, base into height. In rhombus, what you learned? In rhombus, area formula, we are having a two formula for rhombus. One for your base into height. Okay, if you draw perpendicular line. In this place also, height is your perpendicular edge, place also edge. So how can I write? In this place also, base into height for your rhombus, and one more, 1 by 2 into what you have? D1, diagonals. We are having a two diagonals, right? So D1 into D2, that's only the mention half of the diagonal to diagonal in your rhombus. And trapezium, 1 by 2, A equal to 1 by 2 into a height H into what's the A and B, parallel sides, A plus B square unit. Okay, these are the formula. These are the four formula, very important four formula. By using this, we are going to see the sums. Okay, so this is also called as a parallelogram. In parallelogram, we are having a four side, the same. So if all the sides are equal in parallelogram, if I am having all the sides are equal in parallelogram, that is called as a rhombus. That's it. Okay. If maybe you asking a one word, that's why I am saying. So this is a recall. Many of them asking the doubt. That's why I recall this content. So now we can move to the exercise. So exercise, the base of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter less than its base. Find the area of the parallel. So you are going to find out here area of the parallelogram. So first sum what they given, your base they given 16 centimeter, height what they mentioned 7 centimeter less than its base. Base is 16. So less than means subtraction from your base. So 16 minus 7 you are getting how much? 16 minus 7 we are getting how much? 9 centimeter. Okay. So by using this, we already know area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. Base into height means B into H. B value is a 16, H value is a 7, and whose unit is a centimeter square. So multiply this. 6 into 7, 6 are 42, 2 balance 4, 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 112 centimeter square. Okay, that's only they are asking area of the parallelogram is 112 centimeter square. Then an agriculture field